Hi there, Doc Mountain here. I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually vote on Testnet. So what you do is you head on to MetaMask. Here you have to punch in your password. Alright, so now after you are logged in, what you need to do is you click the fourth tab among those which are seated in the bottom section, and then you punch in this address https :, then / then long .openx .net .network /airdrop. Okay, and you will find yourself here. So now the saying you have to vote. You have to vote. Say vote and get KYC, know your customer ID. So let's click vote and get KYC. Okay, boom, and this has actually been opened. So what you need to do is you click there. That's 0.1 or 0.01? 0.01. Then you hit agree. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. So it will bring you here. So what you need to do is you simply hit next. Approve. So saying transaction submitted, waiting for approval. And boom, that has been done. We click confirm. And this has been submitted. Okay, so vote successful, and everything has been done, baby. Everything has been done. Okay, so that's how we actually vote on Testnet. Then when you check on top there, so transaction complete, there is a word